Okay, so grade 7 girls, we are going to begin lesson 6.2 today. As I told you, there's nothing much related here to algebra. It's all about how you see a data, how you compare a data, and you need to know the difference between the total population, compare the word population to your random selection. When I say random selection, that means how you are picking them up, how you are selecting few of them. Okay, I'm going to change my internet connection so that it comes faster. Yeah. Do you all know that next week will be your math and science quiz? Yes, girls, do you have idea that you will have your science and math quiz? Hello, grade 7 girls. Hello. Hello. Girls, can you hear me? Hello, girls.
Hi.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
I think the connection was lost. Come on. So let's start grade 7 girls with lesson number 6.2. That is, just tell me the name of the lesson. It is draw inferences data. Okay? We need to learn how to draw inferences data, how to see the data from the question and come up to a. It's a very, very, very simple lesson which you used to love in grade 5 to do such kind of lesson, grade 5 and grade 6. First of all, what is the meaning of an inference? It is a conclusion made by reading the question or by seeing the data. You make a overall confusion. Inference. You make a conclusion by that is an inference by interpreting data. Means by looking at the data and you come up to some graph where everything is shown very clearly. So here, Dash collects data on the hair length of a random sample of the 7th grade boys in the school. Okay. Okay, she went or he went, I don't know. Usually these names confuse me that whether they're boys or girls. So he or she, they went to a class of grade 7, 7th grade boys, and they are just taking an average hair length of random samples. When I say random samples, you know that I'm not taking the whole of grade 7. I'm just taking few grades from grade 7, and then here they have shown. Guys, is this shown in your book? This picture? On page 320, girls. Is this shown in your book?
Yes.
Is this picture shown in your book?
Yes.
Are you all there with the book or not?
Yes. I'm at the book.
Yes.
Yes, Miss, I'm at the
Page
book.
320. Okay, page 320. So the data are clustered between half and 2 inch because they gave you clustered means a group. What is the meaning of clustered? Once again. Clustered means group. So the data here is clustered between. Tell me the square. It is between half and 2 inches. That's what I wrote. It is between half and 2 inches. This is the data. And between, where do you see girls? Between half and 2 in the first box. See here. Between half and 2. And the second box, between 3.5 and, tell me Zishan, where is it ending? This box? Between 3
And 1 is 4.
and a half. 3 half and 4 half. So this is what you interpret from the data. That can infer from the data that 7th grade boys in school have both short hair and long hair. Even these are short and these are long. Now, how many they did not ask. If they ask you how many, you need to count these boys and say that approximate these many boys. So did you get this question? Girls, understood? Any question? Do you understand?
No.
Did you understand? No?
Yeah.
Or are there any questions? No. Or what did you say?
But I didn't understand.
Okay. See, Zishan, they are saying, look at the data. Look at this graph, what they have made. And they have asked, they are saying there are clusters. Clusters means there are groups. They make those groups into that box. Did you see the box?
Yes.
One box. This is one box. And the other box is here. So they're asking you, the first box that is between the small hair, half inch, is between what and what number? It is between half, you see the number here, half and 2. And the next group, that is cluster, is between 3.5 and 4.5. They're just asking you. I'm not saying between 3 and 4.5. Why? Because 3 is outside the group. See here?
Oh, okay.
Between half and 2, between 3.5 and 4.5.
Yes.
Now, did you get it?
Yes.
Masdulin, you got it?
Yes.
This try it, leave it, 321. There's nothing, just a theory part. Let us go to 322. Again, there is nothing here. We'll go for 323. Okay. 323, question number 5. In a carnival game, players get 5 chances to throw a basketball. How many chances? 5 chances. That's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me know if this is drawn in your book. Is this drawn in your book?
Yes.
So the players get 5 chances to throw a basketball. That's why they just put 5 chances. Okay. They put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Through a hoop. The dot plot shows the number of baskets made by 20 different players. Okay. By 20 different, there are 20 players who won, who got a chance and they did it. Make an inference by looking at the shape of the data. So by looking at the shape of the data, there are 5 chances. Most of them, they won in how many chances in second chance? Like for the first time, and the, in the second and the third attempt, they got approximate. The data are clustered around 2 and 4. See here? Between 2 and 4, it is maximum. So I can cluster between 2 and 4. Just write down. The data are clustered around 2 and 4. So that people who play the game will make between 2 and 4 baskets. Usually they are making between 2 and 4 baskets. Now, second thing I need to explain you is about median. What is the meaning of median? My teacher used to say me, whenever you see the word median, remember, take the average. So what is the median of the data? What is the mean? Mean, okay, 1 minute. The median is 3. The mean is 2.7. Now, how do I get 2.7 and how do I get 3? Now, if I add 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 over 6, do this and tell me, girls. Use the calculator now and you're going to say me. I'm not going to solve this.
Miss, I add them.
Hmm?
Um, 14.
Okay. 14 over 6. Okay, one more question. 14? 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 or 14? Check again. I think 15. If I'm not wrong. Let's just divide.
Oh yeah, it's 15. 15.
Okay. Okay, if I divide by 5, it's like almost like 3, right? Right. Because there's something wrong I'm doing. Is it correct? Is it correct, girls?
I need to check.
So the mean is almost like 2.5 or 2.7.
Mm,
How about the median? The median, if I ask you, or girls, there's one more thing here. They have told you it is between 2 and 4. So between 2 and 4, which one is the middle one? It is 3. So that is becoming your median. Just write from here. The median is 3. The mean is 2.7. That's it. That's it, girls. Don't write all the story.
okay.
Next here. In the plot above, 3 of 20 players made all 5 basketballs. That is, the second one made all 5 basketballs. The third one, the fourth one, all 5 basketball. How many players of 300 players will make 5 baskets? Okay. If from 20 players, again a tricky question, guys. If 20 players made all 5 basketballs, so 300 players made all 5, so 300 will make how much? Again, girls, the question is, if 20 players make 5 basketball, 300 players will make how much? I think remember it is 5 over 20 multiplied by 300. Do you remember I told you see the question mark and write? And this you're going to multiply. Do you remember this type of questions we did before? Again, I'm going to explain you. 3 of 20 players made 5 basketballs. 3 out of 20 made 5 basketballs. So out of 300, how many will make? So it is 20 over 3 multiplied by 300. Let us check what you get. That's not correct.